Good morning. I cannot believe my flight takes off in 8 hours and I haven't packed a thing.
Okay, we're on the official countdown for my flight that flies out to Europe this afternoon, and I haven't packed a thing. But I will say that while I did not use my time efficiently and effectively, I just found out that I'm leaving to go to Europe for work 2 days ago. And that is the life of a model. Yesterday, I used my time to clean up my place. Let me see, what did I do yesterday? I cleaned up and deep cleaned, mopped, did all the dishes, vacuumed, dusted, all that good stuff. And I did start the loads of laundry. I have one more load of laundry to go in, but I have a few things that I wanted to do today. I have a wax scheduled. I wanted to hit the gym before I head out, and I still need to book everything. I do have my stuff that's booked for work, obviously, through the client and stuff, but just stuff that I wanted to do personally while I'm there, and a couple nights I need a hotel. So I'm a little overwhelmed. But I'm gonna take you guys along with me today on this day of chaos while I pack and prepare for a last minute trip to Europe. So here's the plan. Right now, I'm going to finish up on laundry. I've decided on what clothes I want to take, and I've already checked the weather. You know, that's super important when you're traveling, is the first thing is to check the weather. And I've already concepted some outfit ideas. So right now I'm just going to let this laundry finish. While this laundry's finishing, I'm gonna go get a wax, and we're gonna make a game day decision on whether or not I have time for the gym. But I am already prepared. Where's food and all of that? I don't know. I'll have to eat. But I did get my snacks yesterday. Okay, yeah, that's another thing I did yesterday. I did get my snack. And we're gonna try and leave here by 2 p.m. to get to LAX. So do you think we could do it all today? I guess we really have no choice. And also let me not forget my passport. Okay, bye. Ooh, shoot. Oh no! Did you hear that? Bringing down your suitcase. Such a sweet, sweet sound. The sound of bringing down your suitcase when you're getting ready to travel again. Yay! My plan is to take 4 bottoms. I'm gonna make those bottoms last for me, not including the ones I'll be wearing. I usually like to fly in something more comfortable. That way, international flights are uncomfortable enough and they're long. So I fly in my sweatpants or leggings or something of that nature. Still trying to keep it cute, you know what I mean? Because a lot of times you land and you're landing in the morning the next day, so you don't want to look completely beraggled. But yeah, so I'm going to take 1 pair of trousers. I'm going to take 2 skirts. I don't know how much wear I'll get out of this skirt, but I love it and it's super cute. 1 pair of jeans, because jeans are universal. And I'm going to take 1 slip skirt, because I also feel like slip skirts can go with a lot. You can make it more casual, you can make it more formal. It just depends on what shoe you end up pairing it with. You really want to go crazy when you're packing and trying to get the most out of your outfits. You want to prep and plan them beforehand so you're not just throwing anything into your suitcase. What I'm going to do, like I said, I have my bottoms, and I know that almost every single one of my bottoms can match with every single one of the tops that I've packed. So I'm going to pack, I think, around 6 tops, and I'm going to be wearing the 7th one. So that's the hack, to make your outfits have some variation and be interesting. Not for nothing, I'm a fan of the rolling method. I don't know, I'm not a huge packing cubes person, mostly because I travel with a carry-on, and I just feel like, I don't need it, you know? Actually, to be honest with you, I've never fully tried the packing cube method, so maybe it would save me some space. But for this trip, we're gonna stick with the good old roll them up and stick them wherever they fit method. And as far as everything else, I'm going to take 1 regular bra, 1 sports bra, 1 bikini, because you just never know when you're gonna need a bikini. For this week-and-a-half trip, I'm gonna pack about 8 pairs of underwear. Usually, I like to either stuff the pairs of underwear inside of shoes or just put them in extra compartments like this. Also, life hack, making sure I keep one with me in my personal item, my purse, because you never know when they're gonna make you even check your carry-on. So make sure you have at least one clean, fresh pair of panties, because this can be a lifesaver sometimes. And I'm taking about 6 pairs of socks, also having one with me because my feet get super cold on the plane, and making sure that I put my PJs, 1 set, right on top. As far as shoes go, we're talking Europe, And I know it's still technically fall, but it's actually a little bit chilly there. So I am gonna take one pair of boots. I think this time I will have room to keep my boots in my carry-on, but usually I would wear them. That way, you know, you follow the rule of all of your heaviest stuff goes on your body, so you're not worried about being overweight with your bag or anything else like that. But I think I can get away with it this time. But to be economical, I'm going to put little things like this belt I want to take, and different pairs of socks and stuff inside of this boot, because it's going to take up a lot of space, but we're going to make it work for us. Other than that, I'm going to be wearing Asics to the airport, super comfortable shoe, perfect for walking all over the city. And I'm going to take these flats. I really love the ballet flat trend, and I think these are such a fun pop of color, so I'm going to take them with me. I think they can really spice up a couple different outfits that I'm planning on wearing, because I feel like I said with travel, you want to pack really basic items to wear that you can mix and match. Like everything should be able to go with everything else, but it is fun to have, you know, pops of color or accessories and stuff that make your outfits a little bit more interesting to look at. So this is another like good lightweight travel shoe. Like I already mentioned, it's also really important to have your accessories kind of all in there. So I've got a bunch of different earrings and necklaces that can kind of switch up my daily looks. So got that done. Also, while we're down here, we might as well pack the personal item. So this is gonna, like literally a personal item as in a purse. I'm always gonna have my iPad for movies, my computer for work. Sometimes I get lucky and I have a roomy enough seat to get some work done on my computer. I'm going to have my notepad. I just have ideas, and for some reason I always think extra hard on planes because there's nothing else to do but think. So I have my notepad. Obviously, passport, girl's best friend, and I have this cute little passport case. I'm going to have my headphones. These are lifesavers. These are Bose headphones, and they're noise canceling, and you will never, ever, ever be able to hear a baby cry on a plane again. Okay, maybe that's like a far-fetched thing, but the battery life is great. You can hear it, but it's very faint. I also will have my portable charger. This is a really good one. If you are without a phone when you're traveling, then you're basically SOL. Like there's nothing you can do. So I have to make sure I always have that on me. My wallet. This is my light canceling. So I look really funny on the plane because I'll have like these giant headphones on and my light canceling, but this is the only way I can get good sleep. I'm such a bad plane sleeper. So between this, headphones, and Benadryl, we be knocked out. So I'm going to add the book that I'm currently reading, which is called How to Know a Person by David Brooks. It's a good one. It's like kind of a heavier read. So like I take my time to really get through it. My glasses. I like to change into these kind of mid-flight. I don't love wearing them out and about, but when I'm trying to sleep or, you know, if my eyes get dry, whatever, it's a good thing to have. She's getting really heavy. And the last thing I'll be adding is my chargers. I didn't show you guys this, but I also add this toiletry bag. I had to switch out bags, but it's everything that I would need because I've had multiple suitcases that didn't get there when it said it was gonna get there, but it's never really a freak out because as long as you have a clean pair of panties and then everything in this bag, you're okay. Soap, deodorant, contact solution, contacts, everything. Oh, she's a full mama. One of the last steps. I have a preset toiletry bag that always has travel size amounts of my products, but the only thing I have to do is re-up on some of these hair products because hair products come in bottles for the most part that are this size, and these are not travel regulated and approved. I have some of these little guys and I'm going to fill them up because I'm very economical and I'm not trying to have stuff thrown away. So I'm gonna fill these up and put these in this little travel bag. I have like minimal makeup. I'm not really a makeup like beat face all the time type of person anyways. So I usually just take like mascara and concealer and a couple little eyebrow things, you know, and that'll be all able to fit in this one bag. So finished getting this guy ready and then I'll throw that in my bag to go. Contact case. I always forget this because I have my contacts in my eyes, so I'm like, what do I need with my contacts? Trust me, contacts case. Wait, check this out. This is the last thing I'm doing before I'm done with my little toiletries bag, but I am using my Shine and Jam, my edge control, and I don't have anything else to put it in, so I'm putting it in my little contact solution case. It's hard out here for a curly girl who wants edges, because I know I'm not about to be able to find edge control everywhere. So I'm just gonna put it in there. Let's see how this works. I'll keep you guys posted on if the edges are laid in another country, and I might have to start trying this every time. We have to remember we're going to another country. So here's my charging converter. I have one for the UK and one for the rest of Europe. So they connect together like that. My actual charger, oh man, that's a mess. I definitely have a charger organizer, but I don't feel like putting it in there like that right now. So I'm just gonna bombs away. And now this bag is ready to go and heavy as hell.
Yeah, also such a sensitive area to not want to get burned.
It's so intimate that it's like, you know, I get afraid because like there's always those commercials like for other stuff, like 20 years later they're like, were you affected by da 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 da? And I'm like, that sounds exactly like what the lasers are gonna say like 20 years from now. Like, did you get laser from here from da 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 da? But I don't know, because I'm like part of you. Yeah.
Okay, done with that. It took me slightly longer than usual because I was a little bit late, and also somebody was there ahead of me, so they took them first. So usually where I wax would take like 30 minutes for me to be in and out, that took like 45 minutes. So I think I might have to exit on the gym. I'm really not trying to push you guys and rush to get back because I've not done everything I need to do before I head out for this flight. So let's go back home. I haven't eaten anything either, so I'm gonna try and scrounge for leftovers and eat what I have in my fridge. Oh shoot, I also need to throw out the stuff in my fridge because I'm gonna be gone for a while. Whew, okay, breathe, Larissa. Let's go. Timer's ticking. Whew. Okay, y'all, check it. I have to be out of here, as in an Uber, to get onto an international flight to leave for a week and a half. I got myself some Panera. I got a sandwich because I really don't like the food that they have at the international terminal at LAX, and this flight is a really wonky time because it leaves at 4:30 and gets into London Heathrow Airport at 10:30 a.m. and I think I got a really cheap airline that does not serve food. Also, it's not that upsetting because plane food sucks.
Now, all done with that. She's done. The only thing I now have to get ready is me. All right, Uber called, bags packed. I guess we did it. Wish me luck on this long ass flight. Bye guys.
We have 4 lines. We have yellow dots on the floor marking the 4 lines.
Continue to breathe normally. Always put on your own mask first, before helping others.